What if I told you that the most significant barrier between you and your dream life isn't money, connections, or even talent, but simply not knowing how to turn that wild idea bouncing around in your head into something real? I'm about to show you how artificial intelligence has become the ultimate dream translator, transforming those midnight shower thoughts into actual businesses, side hustles, and life-changing ventures. And here's the crazy part. Some people are already making six figures from dreams they had just 12 months ago, all thanks to AI tools you probably didn't even know existed. Hey dream chasers, welcome back to the channel where we turn possibilities into paychecks. I'm your host, and today we're diving deep into something that's going to shift how you think about your biggest aspirations completely. We're talking about AI-driven dream ventures, the revolutionary approach that's helping everyday people like you and me turn abstract ideas into concrete reality. Before we begin, I would like to ask you something. How many amazing ideas have you had that just stayed ideas? You may have thought about starting a podcast but didn't know where to begin. Perhaps you dreamed of launching a product but got overwhelmed by the logistics. Or maybe you had an incredible vision for a service that could help people, but you couldn't figure out how to make it a reality. Sound familiar? Here's what I've discovered after spending months researching this space and talking to people who've actually done it. The gap between dreaming and doing isn't as massive as we think. It's not about having some magical entrepreneurial gene or waiting for the perfect moment. It's about having the right tools and framework to bridge that gap. And that's precisely what AI has become for millions of people worldwide. I'll be sure to paint you a picture of what's possible. Sarah from Portland had a dream of helping busy parents plan meals more effectively. She had no coding experience, no business background, just a passion and an idea. Using AI tools, she created a personalized meal planning app that now generates over $8,000 per month. Then there's Marcus from Detroit, who always wanted to teach guitar online but felt overwhelmed by content creation. AI helped him develop a complete course curriculum, create engaging video scripts, and even generate practice exercises. His online guitar academy now has over 1,500 students. These aren't unicorn stories or people who got lucky. They're regular folks who learn to harness AI as their creative and business partner. And the best part? The barrier to entry has never been lower. So what exactly do I mean by AI-driven dream ventures? Think of it as using artificial intelligence as your co-founder, creative director, and business strategist all rolled into one. Instead of letting your dreams stay trapped in your imagination, you're using AI to systematically break them down, validate them, and build them into reality. The process starts with what I call dream mapping. This is where you take that fuzzy vision in your head and use AI to help clarify and expand it. Let's say your dream is to start a sustainable fashion brand. Traditional advice might suggest that you write a business plan, conduct market research, and identify potential manufacturers. But with AI, you can simulate conversations with your ideal customers, generate dozens of product concepts, analyze market trends, and even create prototype designs before you spend a single dollar. Here's where it gets really exciting. AI doesn't just help with the planning phase, it becomes your execution partner. Need a website? AI can help you design and build it. Want to create content for social media? AI can generate months of posts tailored to your brand voice. Struggling with email marketing? AI can craft sequences that convert. The tools available today can handle almost every aspect of transforming your dream into a functioning business. However, let's focus on the specific tools that are making this possible. For the creative dreamers out there, platforms like Midjourney and DALL-E are helping people visualize their ideas in stunning detail. Imagine being able to see exactly what your dream coffee shop would look like, complete with interior design, branding, and even menu layouts, all generated from simple text descriptions. For writers and content creators, tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Jasper are revolutionizing the way we develop ideas. So you can brainstorm book concepts, create detailed outlines, even generate first drafts that you can then refine and personalize. I know authors who've gone from idea to published book in months instead of years. The tech-minded dreamers are having their moment too. No-code platforms powered by AI are letting people build complex applications without writing a single line of code. Bubble, Webflow, and dozens of other platforms are democratizing app and website creation. Your dream of launching a tech startup is no longer dependent on finding a technical co-founder or learning to code for years. And here's something that blew my mind when I first discovered it. AI is making market research and validation incredibly accessible. Instead of expensive surveys or focus groups, you can use AI to analyze social media conversations, identify trending problems, and even predict market demand for your idea. Tools like Brandwatch and Crimson Hexagon are giving everyday entrepreneurs insights that used to cost thousands of dollars and take weeks to gather. But here's what most people miss about AI-driven ventures. It's not about replacing human creativity or intuition. The most successful dream ventures I've seen combine AI's analytical power with human passion and insight. AI handles the heavy lifting, including research and technical implementation, while you focus on the vision, customer connection, and creative direction. Let me share a framework that's working for people right now. I call it the Dream to Reality Pipeline, and it has 5 key stages. First is dream articulation, where you use AI to help clarify and expand your initial idea. Second is market validation, using AI tools to research demand and competition. Third is prototype development, where AI enables you to create minimum viable versions of your concept. Fourth is launch preparation, using AI for marketing materials, website creation, and customer acquisition strategies. Fifth is growth optimization, where AI helps you analyze performance and scale what works. The beauty of this approach is that it's iterative. You're not committing years of your life to an untested idea. You're using AI to test, refine, and validate at each step. If something isn't working, you pivot quickly. If something shows promise, you double down with confidence. Now let's discuss the financial aspect, as I know that's what many of you are wondering about. The traditional path to starting a business often requires a significant upfront investment, including office space, equipment, hiring employees, and marketing budgets. AI-driven ventures flip this model entirely. Most of the AI tools I'm discussing cost less than $100 per month. Some are entirely free. You can literally start testing and building your dream venture for less than what you'd spend on coffee in a month. And the earning potential? It's genuinely exciting. I'm seeing people generate their first $1,000 within 90 days of starting their AI-powered venture. Not because they got lucky, but because they're able to iterate and optimize so much faster than traditional approaches allow. Here's a crucial mindset shift for success in this space. Stop thinking of AI as a competitor and start seeing it as a collaborative partner. The people winning in the AI economy aren't the ones trying to compete with machines, they're the ones learning to dance with them. AI amplifies human creativity, intuition, and emotional intelligence. It doesn't replace these qualities, it supercharges them. I want to address something that may be holding you back. Maybe you're thinking this all sounds too good to be true, or that you're not tech savvy enough to make it work. I just wanted to share something with you. The AI tools available today are designed for non-technical users. You don't need to understand machine learning algorithms or neural networks to benefit from this course. You need curiosity and a willingness to experiment. The learning curve is surprisingly gentle. Most people I know who've successfully launched AI-driven ventures spent just 2 to 3 weeks getting comfortable with the basic tools. And here's the secret sauce. You don't need to master everything. You need to identify the 2 or 3 AI tools that align with your specific dream and focus on those. Let's discuss timing, as it's crucial. We're living in what will be remembered as the golden age of AI-powered entrepreneurship. The tools are powerful but not yet saturated. The competition is light because most people are still figuring out what's possible. The platforms are hungry for innovative content and solutions. If you've been waiting for the right time to pursue your dreams, this is it. But with great opportunity comes great responsibility. As we leverage AI to build our dream ventures, we must do so ethically and sustainably. This means being transparent about AI usage when appropriate, ensuring that our ventures add genuine value to people's lives, and maintaining the human connection that makes businesses meaningful and impactful. I also emphasize the importance of starting small and thinking big. Your AI-driven dream venture doesn't need to be the next billion-dollar unicorn from day one. It just needs to solve a real problem for real people. Success in this space often looks like helping 10 people tremendously rather than helping 1,000,000 people marginally. The community aspect of AI-driven ventures is also something special. Because the barriers are so low, you're going to find yourself surrounded by other dreamers and builders. Online communities, Discord servers, and social media groups are full of people sharing tools, strategies, and encouragement. You're not building alone. As we wrap up today's exploration into AI-driven dream ventures, please think about that one dream that keeps coming back to you. The idea that excites and nerves you at the same time. The solution you wish existed in the world. The creative project that would make you jump out of bed every morning. That dream is no longer just a fantasy. With the AI tools and frameworks we've discussed today, it's a viable project waiting to happen. The question isn't whether it's possible to turn your dreams into reality using AI. The question is whether it's a good idea to do so. The question is whether you're ready to start the journey. Your dreams are valid, your ideas matter, and the tools to bring them to life are literally at your fingertips. And the only thing standing between you and your dream venture is the decision to take the first steps. So what's it going to be? Will you let another year pass wondering what if? Or will you join the growing community of dreamers who are using AI to transform possibilities into paychecks? If this video inspired you to take action on your dreams, hit that like button and let me know in the comments what dream venture you're most excited to explore. And if you'd like more content about turning ideas into income using cutting-edge tools and strategies, feel free to subscribe and ring that notification bell. Your dream life is waiting, and AI is ready to help you build it. Let's make it happen together.